Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds like this. After you see the recovery mode sign here, you can release both keys and just wait till you enter recovery mode. Here you have to select English and then select option wipe data. Next you have to enter this verification code and then select wipe data. Select format data and then OK. And after data wipe completes, your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.